Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring the Chromecast stays powered through the whole reset. Interruptions can corrupt the device. Once the device is plugged into the TV and the power adapter, make sure your phone with Google Home is on the same Wi-Fi and nearby. If you plan to reconfigure, write down your Wi-Fi name and password now. Next, locate the physical reset button on the Chromecast body. This is the control you'll press to trigger factory reset and restore default settings. You press and hold the reset button, apply steady pressure for roughly 25 seconds, because the unit requires continuous input to enter factory reset mode. During this time, watch the LED. It will often blink or change color, and the TV will show a progressing reset message. If you see the device rebooting, keep holding until the on-screen setup prompt appears. Once the prompt displays and the LED behavior matches the instructions, release the button to allow the Chromecast. You complete setup by opening Google Home and following the step-by-step pairing process. This restores a clean configuration and lets you reconnect to Wi-Fi. If the Chromecast won't appear or setup fails, restart the router and power cycle the Chromecast, because a stale network lease or weak power can block discovery. Make sure you use the supplied power adapter instead of a TV USB port to ensure stable power. If problems persist, repeat the reset while holding the button slightly longer to force a full erase.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.